Hey Cosmic Dreamer, it's Wednesday night. I will get 2 cards. We'll see what's coming in for your dreams for the night of May 15th, 2024. Tune in, drop into your dreaming body, connect to the intelligence of the universe. From the Earth Magic Oracle cards, Fairies. My name is Rick Aster, and I'm also getting a card from the Light Seers Tarot. And this is 8 of Pentacles. Oh wow, so fairies are at work, or elemental spirits are at work. The power of natural forces is at work in your life. A dream is going to show you what this is doing, where it's leading. It looks dull at the point that you're at, but it's leading somewhere important. I think it's somewhere exciting. So you'll get a glimpse of this. Sweet dreams, Cosmic Dreamer.